Demonstrate that to the nation. In about 10 minutes, for the next 3 hours, we're going to shock the nation, man. We're going to shock the nation not only with our physical toughness and our aggressiveness and our intensity, but with our class and our style. We're going to dominate. Dominate. And keep going. When you get to that point, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep playing. Knock them out, baby. Fly to the football on defense. Block relentlessly on offense. In the kicking game, press into the kicking game and make it happen. I can't think, in my entire coaching career, of being in a better situation than being in this locker room right now. To see your eyes, to see these coaches.
Tell y'all guys, I love you and I appreciate all y'all. So let's break it down, y'all. Hey, out there, everything for one another, y'all. Let's go. Let's go.
Offense for Nice. In the backfield, Dante Owens talked about him. Ryan Ellis, big Division I prospect. Sumter, Cooper, and Silboy, all solid pass catchers. Silboy has a chance to play Division I. Up front, Polacek, Weatherington, Howard, Wilson, and Crowley. Nice defensively. Some guys who haven't had a lot of playing time in years past up front. Tim Payne, Aguilar, Stover, and Russell, all new starters here in 2005. The linebackers, that's the key to this team. Wellington, Haynes, and Kirschman, and new starters all in the secondary. Stakaitis, Bates, Ratto, and Butler.
You let me be, leave me alone. You start a fire inside that I could never control. You wanna see a reaction? Come on and cut me down. You got as far as I'll go. Now you're crossing the line, and I am letting you know. Well, here's your reaction.
Time Tebow tries it, and Tebow spins in with the second effort. How my anger has grown, got a feeling inside that I can't seem to control. You wanna see a reaction? Making some decisions now as he's flushed out of the pocket, throws late, but complete to Ellis.
You know, well, here's your reaction. Stand up, now have
with time. Intercepted. Charles Kirschman with the football. Hoover is. Very aggressive, and it cost them. Intercepted again. Back-to-back passes picked off.
Face to face, everything will change. Everything will change. You wanna see a reaction? You wanna see a reaction? Stand up.
Tebow down the left side. Touchdown! Ryan Ellis back in the end zone.
I will dedicate and sacrifice my everything for just a second's worth of my story's ending. And I wish I could know if the directions that I take and all the choices that
Tebow gets it back, completes to Caleb Cooper. First down and more. Cooper with a chance down the sideline. Touchdown!
looking for the answer.
All right, Nice, Florida, Hoover, Alabama. Tim Tebow, Nice, passes to Caleb Cooper. Nice move. 59 yards for the touchdown.
Help me carry on. Surely it's okay to